Hey guys, so the Honor Play 7T will be launching on the 28th of March as the successor of the Honor Play 6T. In this video, I'll be talking about its leaked specifications and features, having in mind that some of the specs and features that I'll be mentioning in this video are based on rumors and speculations. So make sure to take them with a pinch of salt because they might not be entirely correct. So without further ado, let's dig into it. The Play 7T flaunts a beautiful design. It's going to arrive in 3 beautiful colors: Magic Night Black, Titanium Silver, and Charm Sea Blue. On the right side of the phone is a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint scanner. On the other side is the SIM slot. At the back of the phone, there's a camera island that contains 2 cameras and a flash. In terms of specs, the Play 7T boasts a large 6.74-inch HD Plus IPS LCD teardrop display with a 90Hz refresh rate, which should provide a smooth scrolling experience. I hate the fact that the display resolution is HD+, but there's nothing we can do about that. The phone will be available in 2 configurations: 8GB RAM with either 128GB or 256GB storage. As mentioned earlier, the Honor Play 7T is equipped with dual rear cameras. The primary camera, according to speculations, is 50MP and the secondary camera is 2MP depth camera, while the front-facing camera that the teardrop notch houses is 5MP. The phone will run on the Android 13 operating system, the latest version of Android, with Magic UI 7.1 on top, which is a custom user interface developed by Honor. According to rumors, the device will be powered by the Dimensity 6020, and SoC that is very similar to the Dimensity 700 but slightly better. I won't talk much about the processor in this video, but this means that the Honor Play 7T would be a 5G device. The phone is backed up by a 6000 mAh battery, which is a very large battery and should be able to last for more than a day depending on how the device is used. And according to rumors, the device would support 22.5 watts fast charging. So this is basically the few details of the upcoming Honor Play 7T that has been revealed. And like I mentioned earlier guys, most of these specs are based on leaks, rumors, speculations, so please take them with a pinch of salt. They may not be entirely correct. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Honor Play 7T. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.